Mariel Rodriguez was born Maria Erlinda Lucille Sazon Termulo on August 10, 1984, is a Filipino-born American actress, television host, model, and video jockey. She was known by the nickname Mariel as a child, lived with and was raised by her maternal grandparents in Parañaque due to her parents' separation in her youth. She studied at De La Salle Santiago Zobel School for grade school and high school and attended De La Salle University for college, where she studied with a Bachelor of Arts in Philippine Studies, major in Filipino in Mass Media. Rodriguez married actor-director Robin Padilla at the Taj Mahal in Agra, India, on August 19, 2010. They had met on the Philippine noontime variety show Wowie when Padilla was temporarily a presenter. Rodriguez, a Catholic, did not convert to Islam following her marriage with Padilla, who is a Muslim. In March 2015, Rodriguez revealed that she had suffered a miscarriage, which would have been her first child with Padilla. In August 2015, Padilla announced that he and Rodriguez were expecting triplets. However, a few weeks after the announcement, a statement was released from Padilla's manager that Rodriguez had suffered a second miscarriage. On May 21, 2016, on an episode of It's Showtime, Rodriguez announced that she was pregnant for the third time. On August 13, 2016, it was announced that she and Padilla would have a daughter, due in November. Their daughter, Maria Isabella, was born on November 14, 2016, in Delaware. She gave birth to her second child named Maria Gabriela, who was born on November 15, 2019, also in the United States. Rodriguez is an American citizen. According to Padilla, Rodriguez and her family voted for Donald Trump in the 2016 U.S. presidential election. With a showbiz career spanning 2 decades, Mariel Rodriguez Padilla has surely ventured into every field there is. Beginning with commercial modeling, video jockeying, television hosting, acting, and now a lawmaker's wife who is also a proud online seller of luxury products on the side. Mariel first tried her luck in endorsements when she modeled for an American dermatology product. When she landed a part for MTV Asia's TV show Rouge, the actress host had the opportunity to also serve as a VJ for MTV Philippines. Despite initially signing with GMA Network as one of the regular hosts of Extra Challenge and appearing on the series Love to Love, it was only in 2005 that Mariel's career met its turning point when she transferred to ABS-CBN and became one of the original hosts of the reality series Pinoy Big Brother PBB for its many editions. Mariel's stint for PBB opened more doors for her to host other notable shows for the network, as well as assuming titular roles in some movie and television titles. Despite briefly leaving the network in 2015 to transfer to TV5, the former Wowie host returned to ABS, where she did not only return to her old post on PBB at the time, but also included its showtime in her hosting duties until 2019. Turned her back from showbiz to take an indefinite leave when she married actor-turned-politician Robin Padilla. Now Mariel's main role as a senator's wife and a mother to their 2 daughters has become her hardest duty yet. Over the years, Mariel faced criticism over her marriage considering Robin's bad boy image and wanted to run for senator. In her interview with B. Alonso in 2022, Mariel opened up about losing friends when her husband decided to pursue a title in the political landscape. This is why you really can't mix politics as say friendship. Siyempre, nay part na mahuhurt ka. Okay na at say akin na hindi mo kami tinulungan pero at least, hindi ka nagsalita against us. Yung nagsalita pa against us, hindi ko yan matatanggap, she remarked.
Recently, the former Capamillious star then received yet another backlash after making Robin's Senate office a place to conduct her drip session, with Sen. Nancy Binay, chair of the Senate Ethics Committee, looking into the matter as it involved the conduct, integrity, and reputation of the Senate as an institution.
Aside from her housewife duties, Mariel found herself trying out vlogging, managing her food market shop, and fulfilling her dream to be an online seller. After the pandemic, she started to sell her pre-loved designer items online. The former Will-Time Big Time host has been doing live selling on her social media accounts for almost 2 years now. For now, Mariel is keen in keeping her stay-at-home duties as she affirmed that online selling complements her responsibilities as a mother and a wife. It's so much fun mainly because I get to do what I like to do, which is talking. I get to talk. But at the same time, I get to do what I'm supposed to be doing, which is taking care of my family, said the actress host. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.